Right, in this video I'm going to give my little parrot, my little pet, a shower, and he absolutely loves having a shower and having a wash. Watch him, he will just move towards it. Absolutely loves it. So if it's hot, give your pet parrot a wash. I haven't got like a bird bath or anything. He absolutely loves it. He's not afraid of it at all. I think it's probably natural in their environment, in their rainforest, wherever they come from, or Indian subcontinent type of weather. And they'll look forward to the rainy season. You know, I'm just absolutely chucking water in. He absolutely loves it. Doesn't hide away, and it makes his feathers look really nice afterwards. So I'm almost chucking it out like a tap. He doesn't mind it sprinkling, or he doesn't mind, and he likes it when there's a lot as well. Even when I chuck loads in him, he doesn't fly away or move away. Actually, he loves it. So give your parrot a wash if you can. Please hit the like and subscribe button.